7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body with a reverse right. We're going to open up 1, reverse on 2, switch the hand on 3, back charge 5, 6, 7 with the left hand on top. So now we're going to be doing a salsa step turn back in place. 1, 2, 3, I'm going to start getting to the other side. Now both of my hands are going to be going over my head to the right as I hook on 5, 5, and they keep going over her head on 6, 7. And I'm collecting together on 7. So that means we're going to do a step back on 1, bring it on 2, and the right arm is going over the head for a Copa on 3. So from here we're going to be going back to back. So I'm going to be bringing her forward 5, start turning her on 6, go back to back on 7. I'm going to complete it on 1 as I step forward and start turning to the right. 1, I'm going to complete it on 2. Now the left arm is going to go over my head and down into her space to give her a quick right on 3. I follow her on 5, 6, 7. Off the slot, manipulating the hips, push, pull. Because I'm going to be turning her on 1. So I'm going to be giving her a 1.5 left, pulling the hand. 1, as soon as I get the hand, switch to my right. 2, 3, walk back with her on 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to give her a misdirection. Prep her in on 1. The left hand going over the head on 2 as the right hand pulls to change her direction. 2, I'm going to be going forward on 3, the right hand coming up. So I'm going to be facing her on 5. On 6, I'm going to be prepping my body to the right so she goes with me. 6, to give her a quick left turn on 7. 7, grab the back right away, open up the slot for a crossbody leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, crossbody leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, salsa step. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go forward on 5. 5, start turning to your right. 6, 7. Now you're going to pump up on 1, 1, 2, Copa on 3. Now you're going to start turning to the left on 5, 6, 7. Now 1, feet together. 1, step to the left on 2. Turn on 3 on your right foot. Back on 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a 1.5 left. So turn right away. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5. Now on 6, we're going to step to the right. 6. We're going to spin on the left on 7. 7, forward on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.